Uy!
Sige, di
Hi!
Ano yan?
Camera.
Ah, camera.
Video, mag-vlog tayo habang naghihintay. Hi!
Hello.
Hi! Where are we going?
Singapore.
Singapore!
Where are we going?
Dora! Singapore! Hi! Hello! We're inside the plane.
We're inside the plane.
Nina. Nina.
Hello.
Hi!
Sali ako dyan. Okay.
Video. See you in Singapore. Hi!
Hello.
We just arrived, yeah.
Here. For you. Universal na kami po.
Universal! Siya, nag-aayos siya ng ano. Hi!
Hello, Singapore.
Ah! We're here! Ay! Walang tubig nga!
Hello. Hello. We're here. Finally.
Ay! Pang gymnastics.
Hello.
A Rainbow Road. Ay, Rainbow. Rainbow. Rainbow Police Station. Old. I forgot the name. Yes. Look, may bungee. I don't know if you guys can see. But there's a bungee. Last year kapag gustong puntahan kaso sarado. Yes, we're going back. Because oo. We're going back kasi hindi at tagal mag-decide nitong pinsan ko. Dito na lang. Hi, go. Very tourist pose with the camera and all. Tapos hindi pangit yung lumabas, no? Maganda.
Hello guys. First day in Singapore.
First day in Singapore. Look at the
Kami in Orchard. No money already.
First day pa lang yan.
We're waiting for the train. Yay, it's there. Almost. Oh my god. Oh. So tired. We're going back to our hotel. Where is this?
Please do not lean against the train doors. Next station, Woodtree Park.
We're going back to our hotel. Hello! We're here at the Universal Studios. Look, wait. How? Here. Look. Say hi! Family, we're at Universal Studio! Sil! Lingon ka na video. I think yung unang papupuntahan namin is the Mummy. Say hi to the vlog! You're blocking the view with your umbrella. We're here at the Jurassic Park. Hi!
Again, hello.
Hello, Danica. Hi.
We rode the mummy 3 times. 3 times! The mummy! And then now we're heading to...
Siya sa ano, sa blue.
Oh, really? Jurassic Park.
Sa Majas?
Hi.
Day 3 na pala. Hello.
Ninang.
Say hi.
We're in Marina Bay Sands. Ay, the shops pala. The shops at Marina Bay. Oh, look, he's singing. Woo!
Hello guys. Say hi first.
Bye.
We're here at the Marina Bay Sands. Sabi mo kanina Marina Sands. Ano pa? Di na makita yun. No. The outside first. Nag-ano? Nag-merienda.
Hanap ko yung
Sabi ko na,
yung fan ko dito pala.
Wait.
sa labas.
So, this is inside the Marina Bay Sands. Naano ako sa Marina Sands Bay ni ni Tita. So this is just the other side. There's more. Oh, the interior. So that one is the casino. Diyan lang masaya si Tita pag sumama siya dito. Nakisilip din eh. The model. Outside there is the garden. Inside is shops. The can, the club 21.
Passengers on the Pacific Flight 5G312. This is your final call to board you.
Hi guys.
Welcome to my guys.
We're finally in Singapore.
Finally out of the Philippines.
Finally out of
Finally.
Ay, may samurai oh. Ay, ito yung isa.
Ano isa?
Yung isang temple. Tara. We found the other one.
Sino makapasok tayo?
Temple din.
Hindi ko alam kung makakapasok. Pero okay lang kung hanggang picture lang sa labas. I also don't mind.
Kasi I think parang yung culture nila.
Last time I was here, I was 12. Dito sa temple na to. 12 ba?
Pero dun sa kabila.
No, I was 11. 11 or 10.
I've never been here.
I've never been here. Kasama ko pa si Ate Ash noon, tapos muntik na ako mawala.
Fourth time mo na to.
Oo. 4th time, pero 2nd time here in Chinatown.